Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. This is Karuna Acharya, and today we are here to reveal the teaser of Godrej MSR. Before we start with the teaser, I would want to show you the location, the road which leads us to the project, also the area where the property is being built. So the road there, as you can see, is the Shettigere road which leads us to this particular property. And as you can see towards my right hand side, we have this huge area where the property is going to be built. So that was about the area, about the location, the real site where the property is going to be built. Now let's talk about the teaser and the topics we are going to discuss in this particular video. So we will discuss regarding the project overview, location, amenities, area, booking process, launch offers, discounts and so on. Talking about the project overview. Like I said, Godrej MSR located in Devanahalli, Bengaluru. This is spread across land parcel of 62 acres consisting of 3,500 apartments of premium residences. Now let's talk about the location. Like I have mentioned, this is located in Shettigere Road, Devanahalli, Bengaluru. Talking about the connectivities, this particular area has very good connectivity with Kempegowda International Airport, which is just 6.8 kilometers away. It is just 3 kilometers away to Airport City Metro Station and 2 kilometers away to Forum Mall. Now let's talk about the amenities. My favorite part, because you get such ultra luxurious amenities that you crave to come and book your flat or your property. Talking about amenities, this particular project will give you ultra luxurious amenities consisting of clubhouse, swimming pool, multi-purpose court, kids play area, central park, sand volleyball court and so on. So Godrej MSR is coming totally with 3 phases, in which phase 1 consists of land parcel being 19 acres consisting of 1,900 apartments of premium residences, consisting of 5 towers, story being 2 basement, ground plus 14 floors, variants being 2 BHK and 3 BHK respectively. The area configurations for these variants start from 1175 square feet to 1875 square feet. Now let's discuss about the booking process, launch offers and discounts. So if you are interested to book your property in this particular Godrej MSR, all you have to do is get in touch with our sales team. Our sales team will explain you all the details regarding the project with the help of structure. Also, they'll give you all the information regarding the pricing and payment. And after all that, if you are interested, you can book your property by just taking a token. If you want more such informative videos regarding the teaser, home tour, villa tours, do not forget to subscribe Housey. Take care and goodbye. So guys, this was the teaser reveal video of Godrej MSR, which is located in Shettigere Road, Devanahalli, Bengaluru.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.